we are showing you this beautifully designed house and lot for sale located here in the city of San Fernando, Pampanga. This is near Talabastagan. Let's check it out. Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go. This property has a lot area of 180 square meters, floor area of 240 square meters, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, staff room, sunken living area, lounge area, dining area, and so much more. Priced at 25 million pesos. Contact us for viewing. Guys, as you can see, it's a very beautifully designed house and lot for sale. We have this stone details on the fence right here, sconce lighting. This is your pedestrian gate, greenery, good choice of plants, and your 2-car carport right here. So let's go through this since it's already open. Para ma-appreciate natin guys, this carport, it's already tiled. And if you notice guys, we have this solar. Ibig sabihin solar na yung house natin. Maganda rin yung height, so you can fit even big vans right here. Wooden elements on the ceiling. We have this very beautiful yucca plant right here. Very nice. And na-appreciate ko rin guys, the way na ginawa nilang pebbles yung sa garden natin. Let's go through here. Breeze blocks right here. And more plants dito. So if you're a plant lover, pwede mo pang dagdagan. You have more potential pa para mas pagandahin pa dito if you like. But some like it very minimal. Step up right here. You have your big wooden door and your electronic lock. Yan. I'll just take off my shoes. So upon entry, makikita natin agad itong napagandang door plus yung electronic lock natin. Then, you will be greeted by your sunken living area right here. How cool is that? Sobrang very rare sa mga houses na pinapresent namin na magkaroon ng ganito. Imagine, chilling and lounging here with your family and friends, di ba? You have your television right here. You have a console. And these beautifully crafted na mga curtains natin. Very, very nice. Tapos, mapapansin nyo, ang ganda pag tinatamaan siya ng ilaw. May kakaiba siyang hue, di ba? Air conditioning is installed. Meron din tayong ceiling fan for more circulation. Guys, according to the owner, everything that you see here is included except, of course, of the artworks. But you have the option to purchase it also. Right here is your dining area. 6-seater dining table, very nice. Marble top and leatherette ang ating material na ginamit. So it's sturdy. You have this center island right here for your breakfast. We have our bar stools right there. Counter space, sink, refrigerator na 2-door. Storage options up there. You have your microwave, your oven, and your induction stove right here. Plus, ang maganda pa rito, underneath it all, meron tayong storage down below. And dito rin, ito I believe hindi pa siya tapos. Magkakaroon din ng cover to for more storage. Okay? Now, before we go to the other areas of the house, syempre, kailangan nating ipakita one of the highlights ng house na to, which is your very own swimming pool. Let's go. So makikita natin guys, it's a good size pool. Meron tayong waterfall dito, plants on the side, and kung mapapansin nyo guys, parang mosaic yung ating kasi iba-ibang shades of blue yung ginamit sa ating pool. Go through here, we have our pump room right here and our daily kitchen over here. So you have a sink, your stove, storage up here, plus we have a staff room over there na well ventilated kasi malaki yung window niya, plus yung ating toilet and bath right there. So it's very, very nice. Ang ganda ng layout kasi may area para sa lahat. Okay? Going back here, very relaxing, especially it's almost 3 in the afternoon. Ang sarap lang magtampisaw sa napakainit na panahon this time of year, di ba? So let's go back in. Let me just close this up. Wow. Now, beside this counter, we have our toilet and bath on the first floor. We have a sink, a lighted mirror right here, your toilet, which has a bidet. Yan, nakita ko, oh, meron siyang bidet, very convenient. Plus your shower area that is partially enclosed. You have a window right here for natural light and ventilation, plus your rainfall shower head. Okay? Ang ganda. Let's take one more look. Di ba ang ganda, no? Plus, what I love about this, and I love about all the houses na pinapresent natin, yung merong bedroom on the ground floor. So this is ideal if you have guests, you have an elderly, pwedeng-pwede to, you have ample space to move around, you have your bed right there, marami tayong mga outlets on this side. Okay? If I were to stay here, masaya kasi kitchen agad. Biro lang. So let's go. One more look sa ating dining area and our sunken living area. Di ba? Ang sarap mag-chill dito, oh. Ang ganda. Okay, now we go to the second floor. So these are wooden steps with wood handrail. I believe this is tanggile, di ba? On the mid-landing, you have this floor-to-ceiling window that lets in so much natural light. Tapos, dito makikita natin yung malaking yucca plant sa labas na pinoint out ko kanina. Okay? Heading up. More steps right here and this amazing light fixture right here na nagbibigay ng warmth sa bahay. Okay? Upon landing, we have this hallway. But first, I'd like to show you, this is probably one of my favorites in the house. This seating area right here. Or you can convert it into a family area, entertainment area. It's up to you. Okay? Very, very nice. Magandang space. Then, when we walk through here, nandito naman yung ating balcony that overlooks the front of the house. Ang ganda kasi breeze blocks din siya, very fresco. Plus, you have your glass for more natural light sa labas ng bahay, no? Tapos may plant pa dito. Also, these are not PVC. These are wood. So, napaka-premium ng finish ng house natin. First bedroom, on the second floor, we have the bed right here. Ang ganda rin dito. You have space to move around. Pwede ka pa dito magkaroon ng study or vanity. You have these installed, yung ating mga cabinetry. Ang ganda kasi meron tayong mga racks and shelves. So, very organized. Plus, we have your own toilet here. You have a sink, toilet with bidet, partially enclosed shower with, of course, our window for natural light and ventilation. Really nice. Okay? Tapos, dito, pagka tapat ng hagdan natin, may space pa dito. I believe pwede ka pa maglagay dito ng console. If you want more decoration or storage option, pwede pa dyan. Kung ako, pwede kong palagyan to ng linen closet. Di ba? Ganda. Now, we have a bedroom right here. Another bedroom. You have a bed. Similar yung configuration na sa kabila. You have a window. You have your cabinets right here. But the difference is, dito merong nakalabas yung ating toilet. So, sink, toilet, and your partially enclosed shower with rainfall shower head. Okay? But the highlight of all highlights is the master bedroom. So as you can see, guys, king-size bed, tons of space to move around. Plus, this reminds me of Balisin because may ceiling fan to give more circulation. Air conditioning installed. We have a console right here, television, open shelves. Plus, you have your own balcony right here. That has a view of your pool. Very relaxing and nafe-feel ko ngayon yung wind, may may airflow siya. So presko yung house. Let's go back in and close this up. Then we go to the master bathroom. So upon entry right here, ang bubungad sa atin is the closet space. You have ample space for your things. You have racks, shelves, and more rack here and shelves right here. Then, pagpasok mo ng master bathroom, you have your dual sink, his and her, kung tawagin. You have lighted mirror. Very nice. You have your rainfall shower head. Ito maganda kasi kakaiba siya. Meron siyang tiling dito na iba yung design. You have a window for natural light and really spacious. Tapos, separate din yung ating toilet right here na may bidet din. And maganda yung brand na ginamit nila sa ating mga water closet, which is American Standard with bidet. Okay? Now, let's do the recap.
This property has a log area of 180 square meters, floor area of 240 square meters, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, staff room, sunken living area, lounge area, dining area, and so much more. Priced at 25 million pesos. Contact us for viewing.
Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty. Together with our director, Ken, we hope to help you find your next property. Until next time, God bless. Bye.